Australia has one of the prosperous mixed economies, constituting the first 5 developed countries of the world. It basically stands on the 4 major components of manufacturing, trade, services, and financing. Where the contribution of the manufacturing industry in Australia's total economy is around 1.7 trillion Australian dollars, total GDP. It is the 10th nominal GDP per capita rank, as per IMF in 2018 and the 18th on a PPP basis. Per capita, a gross domestic product of Australia on the nominal basis is $58.941 and $52.191 on nominal and PPP respectively. The economy constitutes 61.1% of the GDP, which is controlled by its private sector and employs a large labor force of 79.2%. It has the 8th highest total value of natural resources. Apart from being a strong player in the economy of the world, Australia is a member of the APEC, G20, WTO, and OECD. To increase and maintain its economic growth and help other countries share from its natural resources and other products, it has joined the free trade agreements with ASEAN countries, which include Chile, Thailand, Canada, South Korea, Peru, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, and the United States. As per the report by Roy Morgan Research conducted in August 2017, the unemployment rate was 10.1%. On the contrary, the number of persons who were expected to be on part-time employment was 4.24 million. The quarterly underemployment rate was reduced by 0.2% to 8.6%. Due to its stable government policies and financial laws, during the fiscal quarter of March 2017, Australia has the record for the uninterrupted GDP growth in the world. Economic freedom. Economic freedom scores of Australia is 80.9, which makes it the 5th freest economy in the world, according to the 2018 Economic Freedom Index. It is ranked 4th among the 43 countries in the Asia-Pacific. Rule of law. Basic principles that govern the rule of law in Australia is followed and underpins the following points, which are: to ensure proper workflow, a clear and accessible rule of law is followed. Justice should be given to each and every individual. Protection of individual rights, freedom of speech and easement of laws to settle disputes between the parties are made for the people. GDP, trade, and taxes. GDP per capita on the PPP value is estimated at $46,012. Foreign direct investment in Australia with net outflows is -0.2097, WDI. The public debt is 42.3% of the GDP in October 2017. The tax-free threshold for resident individuals in Australia is $18,200 with the highest marginal rate of 45% for each and every individual. Merger and acquisition. With a good reputation and high investment, around 43,000 deals successfully completed on national, inbound or outbound with a cumulative value of $2,554 billion United States dollar. With sectors such as Westpac Banking Corp and St. George Bank Limited, shareholders, and Westfield Group Assets, SABMiller's Beverages acquiring Foster's Group Limited, Australia finds a great opportunity to stabilise its economy, and its M&A policies have helped different investors to securely and easy and smooth penetration in the Australian economy workflow.